A complete redesign, a high-performance experience, and the biggest upgrade ever to the Tattu battery, the new generation power supply. Designed and manufactured by Tattu Group. The outstanding voltage and superior durability of the design means Tattu Pro is ready for any mission. This is Tattu Pro. This all-new enclosure fits a strengthful full metal case design. Its better heat dissipation performance and superior damage resistance. With this new design, we are able to improve the overall performance while keeping the weight light. Full metal shell helps battery increased 30% heat dissipation efficiency. It turned high-temperature environment working become possible. An incredible upgrade on the cell technology and structure design. It makes Tattu Pro up to 3C fast charging, as well as more than 600 cycles, and that means users can prepare less quantity batteries for a mission and save the cost in investing battery. Just like we pointed out, lots of enterprises choose the Tattu Pro based on the high-level utility as well. The battery could support all kinds of drones, plugging or pushing. That's the only thing you may need to think about. This is a new milestone for the Tattu battery. The battery could be charged to support one mission within 10 minutes. USB port could connect with a portable smart checker. The single cell voltage, temperature, current, and cycles are processed visually. If any errors are detected, the corresponding symbol will be yellow. Intelligent SoC display, an error indication. Easy to view the capacity and identify if the battery is in a ready-to-fly state. With CAN bus protocol, the flighter controller can receive the signal from the battery and feedback the battery status to the remote controller in real time. The battery is capable to send more information to the flight controller. The information will be displayed in the remote controller when the battery communicates with the flight controller successfully, instead to display only the battery voltage when the battery failed to communicate with the flight controller. Those are the major characters for the Tattu Pro battery. You may contact us for further assistance. Thanks for watching this video.